Breaking. West Wing actor Timothy Busfield accused of serious crimes. We have a major and developing story coming out of Hollywood today. An arrest warrant has been issued for Emmy-winning actor and director Timothy Busfield. Busfield, who is 68 years old and known for his roles in the West Wing and Thirtysomething, is facing incredibly serious allegations. Police in Albuquerque, New Mexico, have charged him with crimes involving a minor. These allegations have sent shockwaves through the industry. Today on FameFlash, we are going to look at the facts strictly as reported by the police and court documents to understand exactly what is happening. Here is what we know so far. According to the Albuquerque Police Department, a warrant has been issued for Busfield on charges of criminal sexual contact of a minor, a fourth-degree felony, and criminal solicitation. The police report states that these alleged incidents took place on the set of the TV series The Cleaning Lady. Busfield was working as a director and executive producer on the show. The timeline of these allegations spans from November 2022 to the spring of 2024. The accuser is a child actor who was working on the production. According to the warrant, the victim was approximately 7 or 8 years old when the alleged abuse began. The details in the criminal complaint are disturbing. According to the affidavit filed by detectives, the child actor told investigators that Busfield touched him inappropriately on multiple occasions during filming. The report alleges that Busfield used his position of power as the director to get close to the child. The victim told police that he did not speak up sooner because he was afraid. He stated that because Busfield was the director, the boss of the set, he felt he couldn't say no or tell anyone. Investigators say they found probable cause to charge Busfield after interviewing the victim and reviewing the circumstances. As of this recording, it is unclear if Timothy Busfield has turned himself in to authorities or if he has been taken into custody. Busfield is married to actress Melissa Gilbert, famous for Little House on the Prairie. So far, neither Busfield's representatives nor Melissa Gilbert have released an official statement addressing these charges. It is important to remember that in the eyes of the law, every individual is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. However, these constitute felony charges, and the legal process in New Mexico has now officially begun. This is a rapidly developing story, and more details are likely to emerge in the coming days regarding his surrender or arrest. We will keep you updated as the situation unfolds. Make sure to subscribe to FameFlash and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this case. Thank you for watching.